Hello, good morning, students. How are you? I think you'll be fine, and I hope that you will be at home. Students, at this crucial time, do not go out of your houses. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Students, in this video, I am going to explain the first chapter of supplementary for class ninth, which is Gandhiji and a coffee drinker. Students, Gandhiji and a coffee drinker. This is a story written by G. Ramchandran. Students, G. Ramchandran was born 7th October 1904 and he was died on 17 January 1995. He was a soldier for Gandhian cause, and he was a soldier for Gandhian cause, social reformer and a teacher. So he had many qualities at the time, like Gandhian cause, soldier for Gandhian cause, and social reformer and a teacher. He was a powerful orator and a brilliant writer. Orator means one who is give a speech, a good speech. So he was a powerful orator and a brilliant writer also. He authored several books. He wrote many books. Uh, Vishwabharati, Rabindranath Tagore's University in Santiniketan awarded him with the title uh, Desi Kotama, the best teacher. It means the best teacher. So you can say that Rabindranath Tagore University in Santiniketan awarded him with the title Desi Kotama, the best teacher. So G. Ramchandran was also awarded with the best teacher award. Students, in this story, here G. Ramchandran describes the story of Gandhiji. So, what Gandhiji did at that time in Santiniketan when he ran an ashram. So, what he did and how he behaved with the people at the ashram, he described through this chapter. He has described through this chapter. Gandhiji was a first class nurse to the sick. Gandhiji was a first class nurse. Nurse means one who looks after the patients or people. So Gandhiji was a first class nurse to the sick, where he picked up means continue, run. Where he ran, nursing was a mystery, and it was a mystery where he was running a nursing school. So it was a mystery. Mystery means secrecy. It was a secret for Gandhiji that he was running a nursing school. He certainly did not pass through a nursing school. Gandhiji never passed nursing from a nursing school, and as many other things, when nursing became necessary to him in life, he learned it the hard way of experience. As in many other things, when nursing became necessary to him, and when he felt that nursing was important for him in his life, he learnt it. He learned the nursing. He learned how to nurse the people. He learned how to look after the people, and he learnt it by the experience. It was only the way of experience. So he did not got any medical certificate for the nursing. Instead of it, he practically, with the experience, he learned how to nurse people. Students, in the ashram, at Sabarmati, all sick persons came directly under his eye and care. So in the ashram, all sick people who were suffering from different diseases, they come direct to Gandhiji and his eye and care, and Gandhiji looked after them. Doctors were, of course, consulted, and Gandhiji did not do anything himself, but doctors were also consulted. Means he took consult from the doctors, but the care of the sick Gandhiji arranged in person. But the care of the sick people, Gandhiji himself look after the people or sick persons. So consulting the doctors, we can say that consulting the doctors, Gandhiji look after the sick people. It was a joke. It was a joke, especially among young people in the ashram, and it was a joke in the ashram and among the people. And what was the joke? That if you wanted to see Gandhiji every day and talk to him and hear him crack jokes, you had only to be ill and got into bed. So if somebody, it was a joke there, it was a rumor there, you can say, it was a thing there, that if somebody wanted to meet Gandhiji and wanted to see him and wanted to talk to him, wanted to hear him jokes, wanted to hear jokes, and so he had only to be ill. He had to be ill and get into bed, and he had to admit in the ashram. For Gandhiji visited the sick every day, because Gandhiji visited the sick people every day and spent some time, few minutes at every bedside. Himself saw the things carefully, and he himself watched the things carefully. He himself watched the things carefully. He visited in the ashram. So I hope you have understood, students, that if somebody wanted to meet Gandhiji, wanted to listen him, wanted to talk to him, he or she had to admit in the ashram, and he or she had to be ill, or he or she had to pretend to be sick person, and he should admit in the ashram, and in this way he or she could meet Gandhiji, could listen his jokes, and never failed to crack jokes. So he went to every bedside, he went to every sick people, and he talked there to the sick people, and never failed. He never forgot to crack jokes, one or two jokes with the patients. There was no day too busy for Gandhiji to attend a sick person. So we can say that Gandhiji, at any rate, at every condition, he visited to the sick person every day. He did not miss the chance. He did not become absent in the ashram, and he every day visited every person. There was once a young lad who went down with dysentery. Once there was a young lad who went down, who was suffering from, went down means suffering from dysentery. There was a young lad who was suffering from dysentery. Dysentery is a disease. Dysentery is a disease. So he was suffering from dysentery. He had done his best to accustom himself to ashram food, but failed. He tried his best to accustom means you can say that अपने आप को आदत में डाल लेना, या to make oneself familiar with something, to make oneself familiar with the फैमिलियर विद समथिंग, या आदत में डाल लेना। तो उस बालक ने अपने आप को आश्रम के भोजन पर अपने आप को ढालने का पूरा प्रयास किया कि वो आश्रम के फूड के अकॉर्डिंग ढल जाए या वहाँ के वातावरण के अकॉर्डिंग अपने आप को ढाल ले, बट फेल, लेकिन इस बात में वो असफल हो गया। ही हैड अ ग्रेट लाइकिंग फॉर कॉफ़ी, ही वॉज फाउंड ऑफ, हम कह सकते हैं कि ही वॉज फाउंड ऑफ कॉफ़ी, ही वॉज फाउंड ऑफ कॉफ़ी, वो कॉफ़ी पीने का शौकीन था। बट इन द आश्रम there was no coffee for him, but there was no coffee for him, nor coffee was allowed, आश्रम में उसके लिए कॉफ़ी नहीं थी, ना ही कॉफ़ी आश्रम में अलाउड थी। इन गुड टाइम ही गॉट रिड ऑफ दिस dysentery एंड वॉज नाउ रिकवरिंग। इन गुड टाइम, एक अच्छे समय में, ही गॉट रिड ऑफ, सेट फ्री, ही बिकेम फ्री, और ही रिकवर्ड ऑफ हिज dysentery, he recovered from dysentery and was now recovering, और उसे छुटकारा मिल गया। got rid of means he got free of dysentery and he was recovering, उसमें सुधार हो रहा था, रिकवर हो रहा था। गांधी जी visited him for a few minutes every day during his usual rounds, and Gandhi ji visited to the young lad every day during his usual rounds, and those few minutes were like a tonic to the poor lad, और वो कुछ मिनट जितना भी समय उस बालक के पास, उस बच्चे के पास व्यतीत करते थे गांधी जी, उस बच्चे के लिए वो उतना समय, कुछ भी मिनट हो, 1 2 4, जो भी जितना भी समय गांधी जी उस बालक के पास व्यतीत करते थे, those minutes were like a boost for the child और फॉर द लैड, उस बालक के लिए वो गांधी जी का समय एक टॉनिक के समान काम करता था। ही पाइंड फॉर अ कॉफ़ी, कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी, गुड कॉफ़ी, पाइंड फॉर, ही हैड लाइकिंग फॉर, प्रबल इच्छा होना, ही हैड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ायर, पाइंड फॉर मीन्स स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ायर, फॉर अ कप ऑफ गुड कॉफ़ी, सो ही हैड स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ायर फॉर अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी। One day he was lying on his back dreaming of it when he heard the wooden sandal of the welcome sandal of the wooden sandals, welcome sound of the wooden sandals of Gandhi ji. One day when he was lying on his back dreaming, and he was dreaming, he was thinking something. At the same time, Gandhiji, he heard Gandhiji's coming towards him, and his wooden sandal, he heard the sound of wooden sandals of Gandhiji. He heard the sound of wooden sandal of Gandhiji. A minute later, Gandhiji entered with his never failing smile and cheering words, and with you can say that a minute later, after a minute, Gandhiji entered into the lad's room, and he was smiling as ever. So he was smiling. Gandhiji entered into the lad's room, and with cheering words, and he was giving some cheering words to the lad. He looked at the lad and said, Gandhiji looked at the lad and said, now you are decidedly better. Gandhiji looked at the lad and said, now you are certainly better. You are better now. You must have recovered your appetite, and you also must have recovered your appetite. Recovered means सुधार लेना, सुधार आ जाना. Appetite means hunger. So now you also have felt you also have felt hunger, या तुम्हें अब भूख भी लगती होगी या लग रही होगी या भूख लगनी चाहिए. What would you like to eat? Gandhiji also asked to the lad that what would you like to eat? Some good upma or thosai. or some good upma or thosai? Gandhiji said, some good upma or thosai. Gandhiji evidently knew all about the lad's partiality for those two good old South Indian dishes. And Gandhiji certainly knew these two Indian dishes and the lad's liking for these two good Indian dishes. Gandhiji was laughing. Gandhiji was laughing. The youngster had a sudden brainwave. At the same time, the youngster was thinking at Gandhiji's laughing, because Gandhiji also spoken that he had spoken that, oh, good some upma and thosai, and he also said that uh, that he also Gandhiji also thought that the lad was South Indian, and certainly he had liking for these two South Indian dishes. And at this Gandhiji himself laughed. But when Gandhiji laughed, saying these words, these two dishes, the child began to think about Gandhiji's laughing. Could I have a cup of coffee, please? He blurted out. He spoke. Blurted out means spoke. The lad spoke, or he requested in a slow sound, in a slow voice. He requested that could he get a cup of coffee. He requested. Gandhiji answered with a peal of laughter. With a peal of laughter. With a laughter, Gandhiji answered. He replied, "Oh, you old sinner, that is what you want." He said, "Oh, you old sinner, I already knew that you would like coffee, and you are fond of coffee. That is what you want, and I know that you would like this." And then, seeing the look on the lad's face, he added, and seeing the lad's face, Gandhiji uttered or spoken, he also added some words. "You certainly shall have your coffee of your cup of coffee. You certainly shall have your cup of coffee. Certainly you will get your coffee." Who said this? Gandhiji said this. Gandhiji added this, that don't worry, you will get your coffee soon. Yes, light coffee will soothe your stomach. Gandhiji also added that the light coffee also will be suitable for your stomach. Will be suitable for your stomach. And what will you have with the coffee? What will you have with the coffee? Gandhiji asked to the lad that, what will you have with the coffee? "I do not think we can make upma or thosai." And he said that, "We don't think that we can make upma and thosai for you, but warm toast would go well with coffee. But warm toast will be better with a cup of coffee." और उसने कहा कि हम उपमा और थोसा तो नहीं बना सकते हैं, यहाँ नहीं तैयार कर सकते हैं, और ना इस बारे में मैं सोचता हूँ, लेकिन मैं कॉफ़ी के साथ में गरम टोस्ट ज़रूर भेज देंगे या उसके साथ प्रोवाइड कर देंगे. "And send you I shall send you a tray." And Gandhiji said that he would send him a tray. What that, and a kind parting day, with that. there should be with that. With that and kind parting day, Gandhiji left the room. Saying these words, Gandhiji left the room, and the lad lay waiting, and the lad lay down again for waiting for the cup of coffee and warm toast. He could not believe his good luck. The lad could not believe that he would get good coffee in the ashram. Coffee in the ashram, he was exclaimed. The coffee in the ashram. It was a impossible thing for the lad that he was getting coffee in the ashram. So he exclaimed himself that coffee in the ashram, and Gandhiji himself offering to send it to him, and it was a impossible task that Gandhiji himself was offering him coffee and toast for the lad. So that's why the lad was a little bit surprised at Gandhiji's offer. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood what I have explained today. And the next video I will explain from there Gandhiji's cottage. Have a nice day.